gold, physical gold, in your possession is beyond political risk. And if you look out there right now, there's an awful lot of political risk on ever more and more layers.
If you're looking to build your investment portfolio, investing in commodities could diversify your asset allocation and reduce the overall risk available. Gold and silver are investor-friendly instruments due to the freedom of liquidity they provide to their investors. Gold and silver are fabulous garments, but they are also fantastic investment options. When the economy is down and inflation is high, investors often flock to safe havens like gold and silver. Both precious metals have been sought after throughout history and are often the first choice in any portfolio diversification strategy. In today's video, we will share why Lynette Zang believes one must own gold and silver for the upcoming recession. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss an update.
You've got to have money and wealth outside of their system, or you will lose every bit of choice that you currently have. No kidding, I'm dead serious about this, and it's time to get ready.
When you look at what's happening in the markets, when they go up and down and go sideways and back and forth, that's a trading environment. This is a very short-term trading environment. Because of all the derivatives they created, they can manage pretty much anything they want for very little money. You had gold, which was pretty flat, but everything else underperformed those two entities. But still, you'll look at the gold and watch them artificially tear it down, because that's the last place they want you to keep your wealth. Because once you have secured your wealth and purchasing power in an ounce of physical gold, it is beyond your ability to handle. Gold, physical gold in your possession is beyond political risk. And if you look outside right now, there is a lot of political risk in more and more layers. You must have money and wealth out of your system, or you will lose all the options you currently have. History shows us what we can do to protect ourselves. 6,000 years of history. Spot gold contracts, spot silver is cheap and easy. They can do whatever they want with it, but remember that we will reach a point where all trust will be lost. When the public loses their trust, we'll get to a point where they'll reassess overnight. It can remain as seen in official law and look very different on the open market. Right now, it's more orderly, so the rewards are only increasing, but there is a finite amount of that. There is an unlimited amount of garbage that Wall Street continually dumps for your consumption. You can take all the risk, they take all the cost, and remember that what is really happening here is that inflation is breaking down the purchasing power of the currencies that you have in your wallet. Gold does not rust and remains beautiful. From an investment perspective, gold is considered a safe bet. It has been the most sought-after product for thousands of years and has found practical applications in medicine, dentistry, beauty, and other industries. In times of stress, people turn to their gold holdings as a commodity. They trust in the power of gold. Silver has always been overshadowed by gold, and the price of gold greatly influences the price of silver. Commodity investors have been primarily interested in gold due to its popularity and elite class. However, attention is slowly shifting to money. The reason is that the return capacity of silver has caught the attention of investors. They are betting on the limited ability and colossal demand for this precious metal. Every investment is a bet on the future potential of the asset class, and therefore, past performance is considered a deciding factor. Commodities, gold, and silver have provided consistent returns in the past, so advisors are bullish on these metals. Advisors recommend staying invested for the long term. The reason for this is that investors might not see dramatic returns in the short term, however, they will witness the boom for a period. Make sure you are aware of the regulations and risks associated with commodities before you invest.
Now, the large corporations in Wall Street have really completed financializing, turning pretty much everything into a financial product. And when you look at what happens in the markets and they go up and they go down and they go sideways and they go this and they go that, this is a trading environment. It's a very short-term trading environment.
That's all for today. Let us know your views in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.